In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy UNISWAP in the Coinbase app. Now, you're going to need the Coinbase app for this, so if you don't have it, get it first of all. But if you have it, first thing you want to do is you get on the Coinbase app like I've done so here, and you simply want to go over to the option, the search bar on the top middle of the screen, click on search, and you just want to type in the currency that you want to swap. In this case, we're going to type in UNISWAP, click on it, and as you can see, we can see the data for the last hour, week, month, so on. And if we scroll down, we can actually see there's a buy and sell option on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. And you can buy it with cash, or you can convert your other cryptocurrencies into Uniswap. I'm going to buy. Let's just say we want to buy $11. So once you put in the value you want, you just have to click on pay with and simply pick on the payment method of your choice. At the very bottom, you can add a payment method and pay with your bank account, debit card, or PayPal. It works for all of the above. I'm just going to choose my bank account, and you click on continue, and it'll simply link it to your Coinbase account. And as you can see, once you log into your bank account, you can pay with that, or you can enter in your debit card or PayPal and so on, or you can even pay with currency in the app like I have. So here, if I have $100 in crypto, you can pay with that and just swap it. So that's how you just get Uniswap with.